Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you 14 top of the line color grading LUTs, which is very suitable for beginners or people like you and I who really don't have time to do the manual adjusting for color grading. All these color grading LUTs are part of this big gigantic LUT Buster pack that is purchased in the CinePunch package. So basically this LUT Buster offers around hundreds of LUTs. I've filtered out the best out of these few hundred LUTs, which is the Blockbuster Lush. 14 of them creates instantaneous cinematic looks, and it's really easy to use. So basically I purchased this gigantic package from CinePunch, and this is the Final Cut Pro X edition. It offers a lot of effects, tools, sound effects, transitions, and LUTs of course. There's so many elements that I haven't really figured out how to use them yet. So there are 18 packages in this CinePunch pack, and there are more than 10,000 elements. I don't know when I can finish, maybe years, so I can finish testing out all of the elements. So I'm still finding out how to actually better use them. So they are top of the line, professional stuff. So first, let's drag the videos you want into the timeline. So this is a 4K lock video, a drone shot obviously, a very good one. So I want to make it more cinematic. So how do I do that? So first I'm gonna install the cinematic adjustment layer that I've uploaded in the Google Drive. So basically what you're gonna install is to go to Home, Movies, Motion Templates, and then Titles. You just put them there like me. That's all you need to do. And go to the subtitles effect, type adjustment layer, and drag this down. Make it the length of your video. And before you do anything, go to the video that you've chosen and choose balance color. See, instantaneously the color is much better. And then go to adjustment layer, go to the effects bar, type in LUT, and you find custom LUT, and drag it onto the adjustment layer. And you click this movie like button, and you can see that custom LUT column is up, and you choose the LUT you want. So basically I'm gonna use Blockbuster 1 since it's the first one, and it just instantly gives you a very cinematic film-like color grading. First, you just create adjustment layer. Second, just drag the custom LUT, and two more other steps, which is to balance the color and choose the LUT you want. So total 4 steps, and you have this just 4 steps. And if you want to play around, you can just play around with the mix and also adjust the color settings like color wheels, color curves, saturation curves, like this luma curve. Yeah, I don't really need to adjust anything because I really liked the effect that this LUT creates. So I'm just gonna reset all and go back to the LUTs and just play around with the LUTs. I'm just gonna go recent because you see, there are so many LUTs that I've used. This one, not bad. Okay. Let me just try and play around the mix. Okay, let's go back to the first one. I like the first one better. And how do we create a more cinematic look? You go to the same Google Drive that I uploaded into the description, and you go find the cinematic bars. Okay, you just download them and drag it onto your media pool. Find it. Yeah, you can find this black bar, the crop lines. Just drag it onto the timeline and lengthen it. Okay, just to show the comparison, you can see. Bang! Absolutely cinematic with these 2 cinematic crop lines with the custom LUT and the color balance. So just in total of 5 steps, 5 very simple, easy steps. Instantly, your video looks more cinematic now. Okay guys, that's the end of my sharing. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe, like, and comment in my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.